National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 375 effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and People, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey. The conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. In New Jersey, Hunterdon and Mercer, in the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 375 has been issued from 2:10 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and People, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. You are